From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The set M, which are those S such that X is greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 6, and N are those S such that S is greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 8, are subset of the universal set mu, which are those S such that S is from 1 to 10 inclusive, where S is an integer. Find M prime intersection N prime. To do this, we can use the law that says M union N all prime equals M prime intersection N prime. With this law, we can make our solution faster. And so let's list what M is. M are those sets from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and N are those sets from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our universal set mu are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we first of all look for the union of M union N, which is the collection of the set M and N without repetition. So we start from 2 and we'll end at 8, which will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we now look for M union N complement, which is what we are looking for. You have to know this identity. And so the complement of this is simply those numbers you can see here that are now here. So it will be 1, 2 is here, up to 8, 9, and 10. So these are the collection of M union N prime, which is the same as N prime intersection N prime. And the answer is C.